We went on a spring break vacation mid-March. 3 weeks before I had the surgery done, I barely made it. I was in so much pain, it was really miserable. And to be able to think now I can be pain-free is just really exciting. I was actually an athlete as a child. I worked out 16 hours a week. I started cycling and I was up to about 50 miles a week, and I started having some pain. A few months later, I was getting Christmas stuff out of the closet upstairs, and by the time I got all the Christmas decorations up, I could hardly walk. And so I went in at that point and they did an injection. And that worked okay, but I was just really not able to work out. It took a year, and within that year, I was down to doing nothing. The injections were not working. The medication was hardly working. I couldn't keep up with my family. I did have arthritis, and it was really bone on bone at that point. I'm 44 years old, and I have 3 kids. I want to be active. I've always been active, and the thought of having a total knee replacement scared me to death. I felt devastated, actually. Dr. Mittal scheduled an MRI, and after the MRI, it showed that I had extensive damage just on one side of my knee. He felt that I could be a candidate for the partial knee replacement. The night of my surgery, I actually walked like all the way down the hall. I walked like 40 feet down the hall and back. It did not hurt. The pain that I'd been feeling for so long was gone. I can say that it really feels like a normal knee to me. It doesn't feel artificial, and that was the one thing that I was really worried about, that it was going to hamper my walking and it wasn't going to feel normal. It was so worth it.